right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. I'm sure there's a couple chips here and there. Overall, looks really nice. These tires have a date code 2024. Nittos. Motivo 365s, I believe. Looking at this fender. If you get in the right lighting, you're gonna see imperfections in that paint, almost some like water stains. If you can see that every once in a while. But this paint looks really, really good. That A-pillar is in great condition. Just kind of scanning through this. Getting up close here. Tiny little scuff right there. This thing looks really good. Like I said, get up close in the right angle. You're gonna see those little hazy spots. Got a chip right here. That wheel looks good. Absolutely gorgeous car. Got some stuff on the surface of the paint there. Little swirls here and there. A couple water stains. Got some spider cracking right there. There's a rock chip. Edge of that looks good. Got some paint chipping here. Getting down low, see a little scratch. Gonna have some rash. See some rash right there. Some chips here. So the only spider cracking I found is right there. Fender looks really nice. Got one chip here. I think that might be for mounting the tires. I see some little scuffs on the edge. There's some rash right here. I would say this wheel actually does have rash kind of throughout the edges. It's very subtle right here, but you do have a spot right there that's pretty big. Mirror looks good, A-pillar's clean. The rest of this is in amazing condition. Do have a chip right there. A couple small spots. Got some chipping here. Looking at that wheel, looks gorgeous. So it's the front left wheel is the only one here that I see with some rash. looking really good. Bumper edge looks nice. The lights look good. Try to get under here. Beautiful, beautiful car. And looking back here, carpet looks great. Typical scuffs on the plastic. You can see the struts hold up the hatch perfect. And all of that is really nice. It's very heavy. All right, check out this interior. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a non-smoker. Now we do have some chips on this trim piece here. Buttons look good. The switch itself moves around just a little bit. All of that's nice and secure though. These pockets look good. The carpets are clean. Even the insert here looks really good. You are missing a couple screws here on that trim. We do have a crack right there. That jamb looks good. There's a little hole here. I don't know if there's like a trim piece or not. Bolster looks awesome. A little bit of wear, but very minor. These seats look so good. Nice and soft. That steering wheel looks good. All those buttons are clean. Just kind of pressing around on the dash. Everything feels solid. Looking for cracks or anything. Nothing standing out to me here. Let's see, it looks like it is missing a gauge of some sort there. Buttons look awesome. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. All right, looking at this panel, that upper section, super clean. Handles on there nice and secure. All of that's very soft. We do have a crack right here and some scratches. The rest of that is in great condition. Got a little crack right there. This looks amazing. I mean, these seats are in great condition. Little flaw here. Beautiful. That looks good. Here on the upper side of the dash, all of that's intact. The front looks good. Underside looks nice. All of that's really clean. All right, we're gonna scan through this engine bay. She's looking pretty. I do have detailed photos of all the engine plaques and stickers in here if you want to go check those out. Battery is from 10 of 25, so it was just installed. All right, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We will have the full build list on this car on our website. It has around 1,000 miles on the full restoration. Absolutely gorgeous car. Shifts nice and smooth. Beautiful paint, beautiful interior. I mean, you're not going to get a much cleaner car than this, honestly. Got the windows down. That way you can hear that turbo and that blow-off valve. Overall, that steering wheel's pretty straight. It's really windy today. Alignment feels good. The car shifts perfect. Very easy to drive. Suspension's feeling good. And there's really nothing to complain about yet on this car. It's been a great experience to drive. Hitting the brakes here pretty hard. Stops on a dime, no issues whatsoever there. I don't feel any vibrations or any shakes or shimmies when you brake. I don't feel any shakes or shimmies just while driving. And this is a well put together car. They did a great job on it. So now I'm just gonna drive and let you enjoy it. If you have any questions, let us know. Gear now. It is effortless to shift this car. Downshifts are perfect.